Being a landlord means juggling many responsibilities across listings, applicants, tenants, and finances. Apartments.com helps you centralize all those streams into one convenient dashboard. The dashboard provides a summary of your listing portfolio with helpful info and actions. Here's what you can expect to see when exploring this page. 1. Your financial overview. This section shows a bar chart of your payments received versus expenses paid. Hover over a bar to view your net gains or losses. Number 2. Your account alerts. This widget shows a snapshot of tasks that require your attention, from active maintenance requests to new messages and applications. Simply select a task to view more details. 3. Your ending soon notifications. Anything that is ending soon, whether a lease or a listing, is noted here so nothing slips through the cracks. Number 4. Your payment activity. This widget gives you a clear view of the current month's activity by displaying in-progress payments and outstanding balances on active leases. Number 5. Your listing performance. Information in this widget is divided into 2 line charts, one for leads and one for views. This gives you a month-by-month breakdown of your portfolio's visibility on Apartments.com. At any time, you can select the filter drop-downs at the top of your dashboard to filter by individual properties or specific time periods. Now that you're familiar with your dashboard, let's move on to personalizing your experience. The all-new customization feature lets you tailor your dashboard to focus on the information that you want to see. To get started, select the Customize Dashboard button on the top right of the page. Then, drag and drop widgets to prioritize your favorites. Resize widgets by selecting the small, medium, and large options to expand or compress specific sections, or select the X icon by a widget to remove it outright. Next, select Save Layout to confirm your updates, cancel layout changes to go back to your dashboard without saving, or select Reset to Default Layout to revert your changes and restore any deleted widgets. Need more help? Visit our resource center at apartments.com/rentalmanager/resources for more videos, tips, and guides.